Hey everyone! Welcome to our exciting quiz challenge. Today we're diving into fun facts and tricky questions that will test your knowledge of the sun. Are you ready? Let's go! Level 1. Easy.
How many planets in the solar system orbit the sun? A. 4. B. 6. C. 8. D. 10. Option C. 8. What is the sun's closest planet? A. Mercury. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Earth. A. Mercury. How long does it take for light from the sun to reach Earth? A. 1 minute. B. 4 minutes 4 seconds. C. 8 minutes 20 seconds. D. 12 minutes 12 seconds. Answer is 8 minutes 20 seconds. What is a sunspot? A. A hot region on the sun's surface. B. A cooler, darker region on the sun's surface. C. A flare on the sun's surface. D. A part of the sun's core. A sunspot is a cooler, darker region on the sun's surface. What phenomenon occurs when the moon completely blocks the sun's light? A. Solar eclipse. B. Lunar eclipse. C. Sunspot. D. Solar flare. A. Solar eclipse. What is sunlight primarily composed of? A. Ultraviolet rays. B. Infrared rays. C. Visible light. D. All of the above. You are correct. It's all of the above. In which medium does light travel the fastest? A. Air. B. Water. C. Vacuum. D. Glass. C. Vacuum. What is the color of the sun? A. Blue. B. Orange. C. Yellow. D. White. It's option D. What galaxy is the sun part of? A. Milky Way. B. Andromeda. C. Whirlpool. D. Triangulum. A. Milky Way galaxy. What is the shape of the galaxy where the sun is located? A. Ring. B. Spiral. C. Elliptical. D. Round. B. Spiral. Level 2. Medium. How many Earths could fit inside the sun? A. About 1.3 million. B. About 3.5 million. C. About 6.1 million. D. About 10 million. Answer is A. About 1.3 million. What is the sun's surface called? A. Corona. B. Chromosphere. C. Photosphere. D. Stratosphere. Correct answer is C. Photosphere. What happens to the sun's mass over its lifetime? A. It remains constant. B. It decreases as the sun loses mass through solar wind and fusion reactions. C. It increases due to accretion of interstellar dust. D. It fluctuates significantly. Answer is B. It decreases as the sun loses mass through solar wind and fusion reactions. What process powers the sun? A. Nuclear fusion. B. Nuclear fission. C. Chemical reactions. D. Gravitational collapse. Answer is A. Nuclear fusion. What is the sun's approximate surface temperature? A. 1,500 degrees Celsius. B. 3,000 degrees Celsius. C. 5,500 degrees Celsius. D. 10,000 degrees Celsius. Answer is C. 5,500 degrees Celsius. What is the sun primarily composed of? A. Hydrogen and oxygen. B. Hydrogen and helium. C. Hydrogen and nitrogen. D. Hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Answer is B. Hydrogen and helium. What phenomenon occurs when a massive star collapses? A. Supernova. B. Collapse. C. Red shift. D. Black hole formation. Answer is D. Black hole formation. What is the sun's core temperature estimated to be? A. 1 million degrees Celsius. B. 5 million degrees Celsius. C. 10 million degrees Celsius. D. 15 million degrees Celsius. Answer is D. 15 million degrees Celsius. What happens during a solar minimum? A. Sunspots and solar activity are at their peak. B. The sun's magnetic field reverses polarity. C. Solar activity and sunspots are at their lowest levels. D. The sun experiences a significant increase in solar flares. Answer is C. Solar activity and sunspots are at their lowest levels. What is the primary method used to study the sun's interior? A. Solar activity. B. Helioseismology. C. Magnetometry. D. Spectroscopy. Answer is B. Helioseismology. Level 3. Hard. Which is the nearest star to the sun? A. Proxima Centauri. B. Alpha Centauri A. C. Sirius A. D. Barnard star. Answer is A. Proxima Centauri. What is the spacecraft's name that provided the first close-up images of the sun's outer atmosphere? A. Voyager 1. B. Hubble Space Telescope. C. Parker Solar Probe. D. Cassini. Correct answer is C. Parker Solar Probe. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? A. 209,792 kilometers per second. B. 150,000 kilometers per second. C. 100,000 kilometers per second. D. 299,792 kilometers per second. Correct answer is D. 299,792 kilometers per second. What is the average diameter of the sun? A. 109 times the diameter of Earth. B. 50 times the diameter of Earth. C. 200 times the diameter of Earth. D. 500 times the diameter of Earth. Correct answer is A. 109 times the diameter of Earth. What is the name of the effect that causes the sun's light to bend when it passes near a massive object like a planet? A. Light absorption. B. Gravitational lensing. C. Solar refraction. D. Stellar parallax. Correct answer is B. Gravitational lensing. What type of stellar object will the Sun become at the end of its red giant phase? A. Black hole. B. Neutron star. C. White dwarf. D. Main sequence star. Correct answer is C. White dwarf. What happens to the Sun's core once it exhausts its hydrogen fuel? A. It becomes a red giant and eventually sheds its outer layers. B. It turns into a neutron star. C. It collapses into a black hole. D. It remains stable. Correct answer is A. It becomes a red giant and eventually sheds its outer layers. Why does nuclear fusion only happen in the core of stars? A. High radiation. B. Sufficient hydrogen. C. High temperature and pressure. D. High energy particles. Correct answer is C. High temperature and pressure. Which is the nearest galaxy to the Sun? A. Andromeda Galaxy. B. Triangulum Galaxy. C. Sculptor Galaxy. D. Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy. Correct answer is D. Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy. What are solar prominences? A. Large, bright regions on the Sun's surface. B. Loops of plasma extending from the Sun's surface. C. Sudden bursts of radiation from the Sun. D. Dark regions on the Sun's surface. Correct answer is B. Loops of plasma extending from the Sun's surface. Great job everyone! I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes and interesting facts. Feel free to share your score in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.